Number 1. Oral hygiene. Brushing the teeth at least twice a day. A person should be sure to also clean around the gums and the brackets of the teeth. Flossing to remove plaque between the teeth. Number 2. Brushing with baking soda. Baking soda can gently polish away stains on the surface of the teeth. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. Number 3. Trying oil pulling. Oil pulling is the term for washing the mouth with oil. Remove dirt, bacteria and debris. To try this method, rinse the mouth with oil coconut, sunflower for a minute after brushing, then spit it out. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. You can use it as a mouthwash or mix it with baking soda to form a whitening toothpaste. Limit the use of this homemade paste to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth enamel.
If you like it video, give it thumbs up. And share with your friends, and more interested videos subscribe.